Welcome back to the Cruiser Media channel. This is going to be another behind the scenes video. Today we've got Jordan's FC Rx7. This thing is absolutely bonkers. It has been posted a couple times on my Instagram page. Jordan and I met at a car show, the Peaked car show, and we have been wanting to shoot together ever since. Today's finally the day. So today we are going to be shooting a car. This car is special. It is an FC Rx7 and it's going to be a blast, guys. This thing is nuts and you're surely going to shit your pants when you see it. It is a crazy cool car. It looks fucking sweet and you'll have to excuse my shaky hand. I don't have my magnet. But anyways, guys, yeah. That's what's going on today. So it's going to be another BTS style video. Now we're going to be doing some video as well today with Jordan. So it's going to be fun. We're going to have a blast. So yeah, we're going to be doing some video and some photos today. So stay tuned. I will pick up the video once we meet back up with Alex and Jordan. So yeah. All right, boys. So we made it out to the spot. Here is Jordan's FC. Of course, we got Alex here. He's going to be helping with some of the behind the scenes. He's also going to be shooting as well. But here is Jordan's FC Rx7. Looks fucking crazy. So we're gonna be shooting some video, doing some rollers, and yeah, mostly just taking pictures, but we're also gonna be getting some video out. So I'm about to break the gimbal out and start shooting a little bit of video, maybe a little bit of pictures out here, because look at that, you can't beat this scenery. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun shoot. So here we're fixed with the 3514, the old tried and true. We've got the Pro Mist CPL combo on there. We've got a golf cart coming through. You zoom in. This thing looks crazy. There's Jordan, the owner, getting some reels footage. Man, what a crazy car. Oh my God, it is super bright out. All right, so now breaking out the gimbal here, gonna start doing some video footage, probably gonna make a short little feature for this car. Now, we've got the 24-105 Sony, so we're just getting everything hooked up here. The hardest thing about using this lens instead of the kit lens is that it's so heavy. It makes it nearly impossible to balance on this axis for the most part. Again, this is the Ronin M full cage, full carbon fiber. It is a little bit old, but you know, it works. And then we're ready to shoot some video. There we go. There's the view in all of its glory. Gotta love the reactions. Pull over.
I woke up still drunk.
Oh my God.
Just on the bathroom floor.
That's the worst.
My coworker tucked me in with a pillow and a blanket. All right, Alex, go ahead and switch lanes. We're almost to the end. Well, actually, we'll stop because then we're gonna do what? Photos? Photo rollers?
Photos for you.
Oh yeah, that's right. So we're gonna do photos, and then
We'll
and then we're gonna come back and you get photos.
Yep.
I wasn't fucking recording.
No.
Say psych right
Say
fucking
psych.
now. No fucking way.
I'm going to kill myself.
Run it back, Turbo.
Hang on, was I recording?
Fuck! Fuck!
Oh God, that's the fucking shot!
I gotta get over. Dad.
So now we're gonna get some photo rollers and then we're gonna be wrapping up the shoot. So yeah, that is pretty much what we're doing. Spot. We're gonna be wrapping up the shoot right here. Check that spot out. Fucking sickos. Fucking Alex. This thing. Let's show that we're gonna be wrapping up the shoot today right here. Gonna be doing a little bit of video as well as some pictures just to encompass the full experience. And then yeah, we're gonna get this all wrapped up. Guys, Alex and I just wrapped up the shoot and we've got some very spicy rollers here from Alex.
We did the thing, guys.
We did it.
With the potato.
That's gonna do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, check out AB Photo as always. The link to Jordan's FC Rx7 will be in the description below, so check that out as well. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Later.